You're the hush before the breaks, salt in the air, a sweet reminder. In every breath, salt upon my lips, a sweet soft kiss that lingers.
Tracing maps on our skin, like we sailed there all our lives. We crash against the coastlines.
If the stars fade, if the sky burns, I still move the same. In the rise and fall of the tides, around you, through you, with you, always. We stay the course. You talk like we know every coastline of every shore, of every scar on our skin. We are miles from the first light, but it's still just as bright at dawn. The sun glimmers across the sandy beaches, while the waves we create dance along the shores. A powerful tidal lock rhythm we keep. Every year puts more blue between us, but your voice cuts clean through the roar. I can feel your heartbeat in the quiet, like a signal from the shore. As you lay your head upon my chest, we drift across these tides to the sound of the ocean,
Holding on through every storm.
This love is the sound of the ocean, rolling through my chest, through my bones. Tidal lock rhythm, you push and pull as I follow. Every rise, every fall, coming home. No horizon too far for this motion. Just you, just me,
In the foam,
this love is the sound of the ocean.
and I know
I'm
not alone.
If the stars fade, if the sky burns, I'll still move the same. In the rise and fall of the tides,
Around you, through you, with you, always. We stay the course.
every year puts more blue between us, but your voice cuts clean through the roar. I can feel your heartbeat in the quiet, like a signal from the shore. As you lay your head upon my chest, we drift across these tides to the sound of the ocean.
Holding on through every storm. You drift, I drift, then we center, like the earth leans into the moon. Little arguments, small quakes, but the orbit never breaks.
A tidal rhythm moving in sync, cosmic connection held in musical harmony. Dreams will match what we feel. If the world tilts, if the tide turns, would you still call my name? Is my voice all you hear when it's the ocean that knows our names? If the stars fade, if the sky burns, I'll still move the same. In the rise and fall of the tides,
Around you, through you, with you, always.
we stay the course. Salt upon my lips, a sweet soft kiss that lingers, while the waves we create dance along the shores. A powerful tidal lock rhythm we keep. You push and pull as I follow, every rise and every fall. No horizon too far for this motion. Like the earth leans into the moon, but the orbit never breaks. A tidal rhythm, moving in sync, and I know this love is the sound of the ocean. And you know, this love is the sound